How to set up Netflix with T-Mobile. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Netflix using your T-Mobile account, so you can start streaming instantly on any device. If you've tried signing up for Netflix through T-Mobile, but can't figure out where to link your account or apply the free plan, it's usually because the steps aren't obvious in the T-Mobile app or website. You might see errors, missing options, or confusion about whether your plan qualifies for the Netflix benefit. Don't worry, I'll walk you step by step to activate Netflix with your T-Mobile subscription and get your streaming started without any hassle. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Check your T-Mobile plan eligibility. Open the T-Mobile app or log in to my.tmobile.com. Make sure your plan includes the Netflix benefit, Magenta Plus, Essentials add-on, or other eligible plans. Step 2. Access Netflix activation. In the T-Mobile app, tap Account, then Add-ons and Benefits, then Netflix on Us. If you're on the website, navigate to Manage Account and select the Netflix section. If you don't see the option, ensure your plan is eligible and that your account is active and paid. Step 3. Link your Netflix account. Tap Activate Netflix. If you already have a Netflix account, log in to link it. If not, create a new Netflix account. T-Mobile will cover the subscription. Step 4. Confirm activation. After linking, T-Mobile will confirm your Netflix subscription. You'll receive an email or app notification that the Netflix benefit is active. Step 5. Start streaming. Now, open Netflix on your phone, TV, or computer. Sign in using the linked account credentials and enjoy your shows and movies. Remember, Netflix on T-Mobile is billed monthly through T-Mobile, so don't try to pay separately unless you want extra features. And that's it. Your Netflix account is now set up with T-Mobile, ready for unlimited streaming. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick tech and app tutorials.